Tammy Slaton has once again managed to keep fans talking after celebrating a very unexpected anniversary with her fiancé Andrea Dalton. The 1000 LB Sisters star, who has been in the spotlight for years due to her incredible transformation and deeply public personal journey, decided to mark this special milestone in a way that has left both her supporters and critics stunned. What was supposed to be a simple celebration of love quickly turned into an online frenzy after Tammy revealed the unusual gift Andrea gave her, sparking an avalanche of mixed reactions across social media. Viewers of the hit TLC show have followed Tammy through her darkest moments, her medical scares, her weight loss surgery, and her steps toward independence. Along the way, her personal life has often been as captivating as her health struggles. Her engagement to Andrea was already a hot topic, since many fans were unsure how serious Tammy was about finding lasting love. Now that the two have officially marked their anniversary together, it is becoming clearer that this relationship is not only real but deeply personal and unlike anything fans have seen before. The bizarre anniversary present quickly became the center of discussion after Tammy shared a few cryptic photos and short videos online. While Tammy did not give away too many details at first, she hinted that Andrea had a very unique way of showing love and commitment, one that most people would not expect in a traditional relationship. Almost instantly, fans began speculating whether the gift was romantic, quirky, symbolic, or just plain strange. The TLC star has a history of surprising her followers, but this time it seems the present crossed into territory that had people genuinely questioning Andrea's intentions. Some viewers felt the gesture was creative and heartfelt, while others labeled it as downright odd and even slightly concerning. Tammy has often said that Andrea understands her better than anyone else and that their connection is built on more than just appearances. This latest anniversary celebration might be proof of that. To understand why fans are so invested in this story, it's important to remember Tammy's complicated journey on 1000 LB Sisters. At one point, her health struggles were so severe that many questioned whether she would survive. Years of battling food addiction, limited mobility, and difficult family dynamics made her future uncertain. However, after undergoing weight loss surgery and committing to a healthier lifestyle, Tammy shocked the world with her remarkable transformation. Along with the physical changes came emotional growth and a desire to live fully, including finding someone to share her life with. When Andrea Dalton came into the picture, many fans were skeptical. Tammy had been in relationships before that ended with heartbreak or controversy. Andrea's entrance brought both curiosity and doubt. Some wondered if she was just another short-term partner, while others speculated that Tammy might finally have found someone genuine. Over time, Tammy's public displays of affection toward Andrea started convincing fans that the relationship was indeed serious. Now this anniversary has cemented Andrea's role in her life, but the unusual present has become the latest chapter of their unpredictable romance. Reports suggest that Andrea's gift wasn't jewelry or flowers or anything considered traditional. Instead, she allegedly gave Tammy something deeply personal that held symbolic meaning only the two of them could fully understand. According to sources close to the couple, Andrea presented Tammy with an item that represents their shared struggles, their resilience, and their commitment to facing challenges together. While Tammy seemed thrilled, outsiders were left scratching their heads, wondering why she would be so excited about something many considered bizarre. Social media quickly lit up with reactions. Some fans praised Andrea for thinking outside the box, calling the gift meaningful and refreshing compared to the usual material presents. Others, however, questioned whether Tammy deserved something more conventional and celebratory, suggesting that Andrea may have missed the point of an anniversary altogether. On TikTok and Instagram, users flooded Tammy's posts with comments ranging from supportive to critical. Memes were even created mocking the unusual nature of the gift, further fueling the online debate. Tammy, however, has not backed down. She continues to proudly showcase Andrea's present as a reminder of their bond, insisting that people on the outside cannot possibly understand the depth of their connection. In many ways, this controversy mirrors Tammy's entire reality TV journey. Her life has always been scrutinized and judged by viewers who feel invested in her choices yet often fail to grasp the full context of her experiences. From her struggles with health to her complex relationship with her family, Tammy has repeatedly shown that she does not live by anyone else's expectations. Her choice to embrace Andrea's bizarre gift may be another way of proving she values authenticity over appearances. Fans are now speculating about what this could mean for Tammy's future with Andrea. Will they eventually marry? Will Andrea continue to surprise her with unconventional gestures? Or could the uniqueness of their bond eventually become a source of conflict? While no one can predict the outcome, one thing is clear: Tammy is not afraid to do things differently. The TLC star has been redefining her life step by step, from reclaiming her health to reshaping her personal relationships, and this anniversary celebration is just the latest example. Some insiders close to the couple claim Andrea's gift was meant as a private inside joke between the two, symbolizing their shared humor and resilience. Others suggest it was a practical item that carried emotional weight because of their shared experiences. Regardless of the details, Tammy's reaction shows that she sees it as more than just a present. To her, it is proof that Andrea truly understands her and values her in ways that cannot be measured by traditional standards. For longtime viewer of 1000 LB Sisters, this chapter is particularly emotional because it highlights how far Tammy has come. Not long ago she was struggling to breathe, struggling to walk, and struggling to find hope. Today she is celebrating love, marking milestones, and smiling in ways fans never thought possible. The bizarre gift may have confused outsiders, but for Tammy it is evidence that she is building a life worth celebrating. It also signals that Andrea may become a permanent fixture in her journey, whether fans approve or not. As news outlets and blogs continue to dissect the story, it is worth noting that Tammy herself seems unfazed by the criticism. She has faced harsh words before and has emerged stronger each time. This time she appears more confident than ever, openly defending her fiancé and brushing off the negative comments. Her followers who have supported her from the beginning see this as a victory, proof that Tammy is prioritizing her happiness above all else. For the network, this storyline is also a ratings magnet. 1000 LB Sisters thrives on shocking twists and heartfelt moments, and Tammy's anniversary gift saga offers both. Producers are likely keeping a close eye on the fan response, knowing that the bizarre present will fuel discussions in future episodes. Whether or not viewers ultimately accept Andrea, there is no denying that she has become a central figure in Tammy's ongoing evolution. The coming months will be crucial in determining how the relationship develops, but for now Tammy is clearly content. In the end, Tammy Slaton's anniversary with Andrea Dalton has once again proven why she remains one of the most compelling figures in reality television. Her life is unpredictable, her choices often controversial, but her authenticity continues to draw fans in. The bizarre gift may not make sense to everyone, but in Tammy's world it makes perfect sense, and that is all that matters. Love is rarely simple, and for Tammy it has always been complicated, but this milestone shows that she is ready to embrace all of it, even the unexpected. Fans may not believe Andrea's unusual present, but they cannot deny that it has solidified Tammy's place as one of the most talked about reality stars of the moment. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.